Siargao, here we come. Ayan. At nakakuha nga ako ng SEB Pass. So, from Clark to Siargao, nakakuha ako ng SEB Pass. And then, for 5 kasi kami, ang binayaran ko na lang is additional 3,000 something. So, not bad. Kaya talagang makakatipid ka talaga if you have the SEB Pass. Last year ko pa ito nabili. Mag-e-expire siya this December 2025. At talagang binili ko itong SEB Pass na to for Siargao talaga. Kasi alam naman natin how expensive yung airfare going to Siargao. So, ayun. So, going to Siargao, ayun nga, Clark to Siargao kami, and then pabalik ng Metro Manila, it will be Butuan na. So, ang gagawin namin is, instead of bringing a car, papuntang Clark, magko-commute na lang kami. Kasi iisipin pa namin kung saan kami magpa-park doon, tas iiwan pa namin ng mga ilang araw, di ba? So, luckily, merong P2P. So, ang gagawin namin is pupunta kami ng NAIA, Terminal 3, and then from there, doon kami sasakay. So, samahan nyo ako.
Para hassle-free, we took the Grab going to NAIA Terminal 3 at ang naabutan nga namin ay yung biyahe na 6 a.m. And then, may lagayan ng mga luggages kaya wala ka nang problemahin pa. And by the way, this is the current schedule. Pause to see it. And then, on time umaalis yung bus. May laman man o wala. Kaya be early talaga. Otherwise, baka maiwanan ka. So, time check, it's 6:03. And then, ang daan natin ay sa Skyway, kaya for sure mabilis to. If you are a student, PWD, or senior, you have to bring your ID kasi may discount tayo sa pamasahe. And by the way, may first stop siya sa SM Clark. And then, after that, saka siya dediretso ng airport. And voila, here we are. And 8:06, saktong 2 hours yung biyahe natin.